Wow! Cool! Yay! Okay, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you haven't been to our channel before, and this is Christina. She's a guest. Today we are gonna open Popin Cooking. It's already open because she got excited. Oh, look at our beautiful cooking mat. Okay, so this is our kitchen. This is our cooking mat. And this is our serving tray. Ta-da! Water. Water, Julie. Is it okay? Mostly Nabila. Sure. Nabila wants to see it. Oh, I think these are better donuts than the ones you get at T&E.
Seriously? It's a donut shop.
It tastes fake too. No!
What?
Get closer.
Put it here.
Whoa, cute. Show them.
That makes sense? It's supposed to be like this? I'm not sure. Mix. Does it taste good?
Well, yeah, but it's not like amazing.
Put the blue one in the hot part. Add a cup of water.
This is a cup of water?
Yeah.
Whoa! It went from powder to cream. Whoa! Cool! My sister would love this.
How to pronounce her name?
Eloisa.
Eloisa.
Whoa! 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 It smells like vanilla. Whoa!
Oh!
Yeah! Whoa!
Yeah. This thing smells very good. It smells better than I saw.
Why does mine look so ugly?
In the end.
Freaking cat! This is our kitchen. Go away! Almost stepped on our donuts. Whoa! I want to show you guys how it's changing. Look! Oh man, I really hope they can see this. Oh, I want to eat this one now. Strawberry, my favorite. Can we do it now?
Yeah.
I'm waiting for you.
No need.
Why are you taking so long? I did
Because-
so much.
Because you take the easy job.
I did 2 already.
You did too.
Oh wow, they really thought of everything.
Yeah, use this one and mix it, and you can put it in this bag. So it's like the cake thing. Like.
Cool. Okay.
But I think you'd better clean it. I don't want to ruin my chocolate sauce. Don't ruin my chocolate sauce. And then
You mix it. You show us the magic.
that's too much.
No, it's not. Watch.
Oh, it smells so good.
Sweet.
Oh, there's 4 on the picture, but we made 5.
Sure. See? Gotta be presentable for YouTube, you know? We're professional YouTubers now. Sorry, it's not our first rodeo.
Rodeo? What is rodeo?
It's not our first time. Rodeo. Do you know what a rodeo is?
No.
Do you know when they ride the bull? And they go, wee-ha!
Boat?
Not a boat, a bull. When they ride like a horse or like a
New?
like a big cow.
Mm-hmm.
And then they ride it and they don't get off.
Mm-hmm.
That's a rodeo.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not our first rodeo. It means it's not our first time.
Only this one is
It
a
means
flower.
we're professionals. We're experts.
I thought you were an artist.
We're sleepy experts.
I'm talking to myself.
That's a Pokemon ball. Yeah. Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, where's the crumbs?
That's it. Okay, I can eat it. I don't want to eat it actually. I don't think it will be delicious.
Want to bet?
Yes.
All right. Let's get a urban perspective of these donuts. Is it urban recommendation?
I don't think it will be delicious. The donut is not delicious. The cookies taste cheap. The sauce tastes cheap.
Where's Where's my camera?
Okay, stop showing that.
Okay.
Want a bet? Want a bet? Okay, so now's the interview. Hello, Mr. Irwin. How does it taste?
Okay.
Okay. So donuts okay, the sauce okay, the cookies okay, the decoration is okay. Your face doesn't look like okay.
And there's something in it. Like, did we use bad water?
No?
No, the water's fine. Something in there doesn't taste good. Like, there's parts of it that taste sweet, and parts of it that's like, eh. And then there's parts of it that was just like, ugh.
Want a bet? Where's my prize? Okay, that's all. I don't want to taste it. I don't want.
I want to eat more of this though.
No, you don't like the sauce. So it's not the sauce. It's the donut.
Sauce is okay. It's not great either, but it's okay.
Maybe I should take a bet. Smells okay, but I know I don't want to taste okay. Maybe that's why, because we mix it.
No.
I think this one is okay, or I just take this a little bit.
Take a whole thing.
I don't want my face like that.
Try it. Oh, this one even feels better. This one's okay.
Yeah.
That one's okay. That one's good. Oh, the chocolate one. Just chocolate. Good.
See, chocolate always.
Oh my gosh,
a
I'm so
good-
old.
Chocolate is always a good choice. See, I'm young.
Try the other one. So scary.
Okay, let's see whether because we mixed it.
With the cream. Everything.
9.
Right. It was just that one I had.
Yeah, I don't feel this one like.
It's okay.
So
Ah.
what makes that one?
I'm still not happy with it. But yeah. Taste wise, I'll give it a 3 out of 10. Oh, the chocolate. I haven't tried the chocolate yet. Yeah, how does chocolate taste?
Tastes cheap. This one's like okay as well.
Chocolate's okay.
Maybe just because we mix it. That those two mix it. You don't like this
I
one?
don't want to try the Pokemon ball. It looks ugly.
Why? Because
looks-
someone made it.
Judging a book by its cover. No, you can't judge a book by its cover because ew, it even feels ugly.
Guess who made it?
You can't judge a book by its cover, you know? Gotta live by example. No, it's okay. No, yeah, I think the first one I had was really bad. This one's okay.
Just look like ugly.
Yeah, just can't judge a book by its cover, guys. Okay, bye.
Bye. Oh, so bad.